Hello, YouTube. What's going on, family? You already know what today is. It is December, so you know what that means. It's Vlogmas time, all right? So I figured I'd just get dressed up, get dolled up for you guys, all right? Because I'm excited. Like I said before in my last video, if you've been following me on Instagram, you would have already seen some of my trees that I put up. I'm literally getting into the Christmas holiday spirit. So like I said, I figured why not dress up? 'Tis the season to live your best life, you guys, all right? So the year is almost up. Don't even know where it went to, but that's okay because 2022 is coming up and we have even more time, God's willing, to make the best out of every possible part of your life that you can make the best out of, all right? So with that being said, I am just gonna let you know what's going on for Vlogmas and how I'm going to structure Vlogmas because we all know it did not turn out the way I wanted it to turn out last year, all right? So hopefully I get to redeem myself this year and we get to do something a little bit different. But I know you guys watch a lot of YouTubers. There's so many channels to watch. So I do appreciate you just tuning into mine and I greatly appreciate you guys, all right? So this year for Vlogmas, instead of putting up a video every single day, you guys, I'm gonna put up a video every Sunday like I normally try to do, which let me just step in and say, I do know that I have not been consistent with you guys and I truly appreciate you still for rocking with me. I greatly appreciate it. Even the newcomers, I greatly appreciate you guys because it has been hard to be consistent with a lot going on this year. So either which way, I'm going to definitely put up a video every single Sunday in December for Vlogmas. And how that's gonna work is December 1st through the 4th, that's going to be my Vlogmas week. And that video is gonna go up on the 5th on Sunday. So on the 5th on Sunday, you're going to see December 1st through the 4th and what I've done and what's going on for Vlogmas. And that's how I'm going to do it. So the following Sunday after that, you're going to see the videos for Vlogmas for what I did for each day after that, the 5th through the 11th or whatever, and so on and so forth. All right. So that's how I'm doing it this year. And I think if I do it that way, it kind of gives me a little bit of time, space, and breather to do what I need to do for you guys properly, edit, record, so on and so forth. And that way I can go on to Instagram and do like, you know, some lives. Hopefully I can actually do, you know, some questionnaires, just a little bit of everything for December because I want it to be a full December for everyone. And like I said, if you are not following me on Instagram, you guys definitely head over there because you'll get more of a real time with me than you would here on YouTube. So I'm trying to definitely be active over there. So definitely go ahead and go follow me. I'll put the description below. That way you can click on the link and you won't miss me, all right? So that's how we're doing Vlogmas this year. Basically the first day of Vlogmas, once it uploads on Sunday, is gonna be, of course, me, you know, shopping for decor and, you know, trying to set up for Christmas decorations and everything like that. I went super early to go look for Christmas decorations because, you know, it was October, November time that I was actually looking. So I went pretty early. They still had a lot of things out there. And I ventured off to Home Goods, I ventured off to Walmart, Target, and they were just putting some things out. So basically everything that you're gonna see are just a little bit of what they had. I went back to a few places just to see if they, you know, loaded up more on Christmas decor. Some people did, some people didn't. But, you know, it is what it is. You know, we've been a little bit scarce here in the world with a lot of things. But, you know, for the most part, I have still a lot of my Christmas decorations from last year that I wasn't able to use. So I'm going to incorporate that into the house this year. I did buy a few more things. And again, I'm going to stress, if you do not follow me on Instagram, you guys, go ahead and go over there because this year is going to be really big, really epic when it comes to decorations because I set a goal of 20 trees in my house. Yes, you heard me correctly. 20 trees in my house, small, medium, and large trees that I plan to decorate, whether it be in the living room, the bathroom, or the kids' room. Basically, if there's a tree, it's going to be here, all right? So yes, currently right now, my husband says we live in a forest. That's okay because it makes me happy. So either which way, you guys, That's what's happening for Vlogmas, all right? So definitely hope you stay tuned. I definitely hope you are excited about Vlogmas like I am. That is it. Enjoy the rest of your day, you guys, the rest of the month, because again, we have so much in store. So one more thing, if you are not subscribed to my channel, if you happen to just see my video just pop up and you clicked on, thank you. I appreciate you, but go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you click that bell. That way you're notified each and every single time I upload, you guys. That way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right, so that is it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night, you guys. I hope you are so looking forward to the Vlogmas, because I am, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.